Guys, you are not going to believe what happened. Quantum computer in China just did something incredible. It solved a problem in 4 minutes that would take even the fastest classical supercomputer billions of years. Let me repeat that. A quantum computer just did a calculation that would take a supercomputer billions of years in just 4 minutes. How is that even possible? The team used a 76-qubit quantum computer prototype called Jiuzhang, which works with light. It uses lasers, mirrors, prisms, and photon detectors to perform calculations. Here's how it works. First, they send a laser through a beam splitter, which randomly splits the light into 2 or more paths. Then they recombine the beams using mirrors and prisms and detect the resulting pattern of light. This pattern contains information about the original quantum state of the light, and that information can be used to do calculations. Now, this might seem like a very complicated way to do something that a classical computer could easily do, but that's not the case. The problem is that classical computers use bits, which are either 0 or 1, but quantum computers use qubits, which can be in a superposition of states, meaning they can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. This allows quantum computers to perform calculations much faster than classical computers. In this experiment, the team used a method called Gaussian boson sampling. They sent in 76 pairs of entangled photons and then measured the correlations between all possible pairs. They found that their computer could accurately detect 76 photons at once, which is a record for any device. Classical computers couldn't get past 5 photons without making a lot of errors. This means that Jiuzhang is about 10 million times faster than the best classical computers for this type of calculation. And don't think that this is some kind of niche, esoteric experiment. There are real-world problems that can be solved with this type of technology, like solving complex problems in quantum chemistry and mathematics. And it could even help build a quantum internet in the future. This breakthrough shows that quantum computing is no longer just a theory, or something that only exists in science fiction. It's becoming a powerful reality. While both classical and quantum computers are good at solving different types of problems, quantum computers will likely become more common in the future. Just think about how crazy this is. We went from the first mechanical calculators to the iPhone in just a few hundred years. And now we're entering the era of quantum computers. Who knows what the future will hold? Maybe one day we'll have quantum phones or quantum TVs. Okay? Maybe not, but quantum computers will definitely be a big part of our future. This has been 1 Minute. See you next time.